Refraction of light we will discuss today. Total student. Now let us see. After reflection, we will take up the concept of refraction of light. Okay, are you able to listen? You just think of medium when you are going to discuss about refraction of light, you think of two kind of medium. Two kind of medium. First medium is taken as, you just think of air medium. You think of air medium. And here in the box, we have decided another medium. We are calling it as denser medium. And air medium is taken as rarer medium. Before study of refraction of light, we should think of two kind of medium, so that when light travels from one medium to another medium, we should see the direction of the light during traveling. You suppose that here XY is the medium separator, and you just think of one normal. You think of one normal. Yes, this normal is drawn to the interface. Yes, dotted lines shows the imaginary line perpendicular to the interface, and this is called normal. N stand for normal. ये ध्यान रखना. And you now decide the position of source of light, which is traveling. You just think of here. The ray of light is coming from one side, making certain angle. You draw the straight line to the point O. Yes, without bending. Without bending, not bending. You just draw the straight line, state-wise. It should go state-wise. But actually it is not going in that direction. It just bend. Why does the light bend? Due to refraction of light. How much angle is made by the incident light? You suppose that A is the point of source, I is the angle of incidence, I is the angle of incidence. Now you see here the normal NO N dash. Making angle R here, angle of refraction. You write clearly small r. So what is the meaning of the refraction? The bending of light. Take care of. Bending of light in a medium when it travels from one optical medium to another. is called refraction of light. Defining term. When the ray of light travels from one optical medium to another, there is bending of light. They just change its path, and we call it as bending, and we pronounce it as refraction of light. So what is the requirement for the refraction? Two things must be there. Number one, is two optical medium. Two optical medium must be needed. And two optical medium. Medium number one is taken as air. You write one, this is the medium one, and two, medium two. The medium where the speed of light is maximum is called rarer medium. Or the medium where the speed of light decreases is called denser medium. Think of. The refraction is the phenomenon of bending of light in a particular medium when it travels from one optical medium to another optical medium. ये तो हो गया आपका definition. Now come to the another point. Here, N dash is called normal. A to O is the incident light, incident ray, right? And another ray which has traveled into the second medium. You can give the name as, you can give the name AOB. OB is the ray of light. OB is the refracted light. OB is the refracted light, ray of light. ये ध्यान में रखना, छोटा छोटा बात है यहाँ पे. हाँ, I angle of incidence. Angle of incidence is the common term, which is also angle of incidence. R is the angle of refraction. It is not necessary to have I is equal to R here in the refraction term. I is not equal to R. This is not a reflection of light. Ray of light is not bouncing back. It is only traveling from one medium to other medium by entering into the any optical density medium. What is the main cause? What is the main cause of refraction? What is the main cause of refraction? In most of the examination, it is to be asked.
Refractive index, sir.
So, yes. What is the main cause of refraction? If this question is asked to any student, the answer point is here. Speed of light. Speed of light in vacuum, you decide It is written as C naught. It is written at C naught. If this speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, if this very speed of light in the vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, this very speed of light is also considered for air medium also, for simplicity, for study purpose. There should not be any alteration of the values when the ray of light is coming from the sun and entering to the earth atmosphere. If such things are given, speed is the main point. Speed changes medium to medium. Speed of light is changing. Speed of light is changing from medium to medium, from one optical medium, from one optical medium to another. The speed of the light is changing. Medium is changing is a common understanding. If you are saying medium is changing, so refraction is taking place. So in spite of the term utilizing change of the medium, you must pronounce here the speed of light changes in a particular medium. So it is the change of speed of light in different medium causes the light to refract. So speed of light is changing from one optical medium to another and causing refraction. If speed is maintaining high, it is considered to be the rarer. If speed becoming less, slow, more denser, the medium. So it is the speed which deciding factor, where is the light going with the 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second to decide it at rarer medium. But whenever the light is entering into any other medium, where the speed of light is not so, as it is given in the vacuum or in the air medium. For example, you can think of when light is entering into the water medium, the speed of light of the in the water medium changing. It is not so. It is not equal to the 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters. 2.25 into 10 to the power. So we can easily give the region of the main cause of refraction of light. Now come to the third point. When we are discussing the refraction, cause of refraction, there is simple laws deciding. The law is laws of refraction. Laws of refraction. How to state the laws? How to state the laws? The laws of refraction, you can easily state the two laws. Number one, in the same diagram, you can decide the statement. Statement on number one, first law. The incident light, the normal and the refracted light, take care of. Refracted light all lie at the same plane Same plane of reflection. Same plane of refraction. Yes, this is the statement. Fundamental statement. After writing the laws, those who join not in the starting time, I will just slide all the pages. First, finish this very two statement. Second important laws of refraction is the second law is see here. What is the value of the angle of I? If we say it as by deciding geometrically, we have just taken the measurement of the sine of the I to the sine of the R. The ratio of sine of the I to the sine of the R is equal to a constant term. This very constant term is called refractive index. Refractive index. The ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence to the angle of refraction is always constant called refractive index of the medium. ये ध्यान देना, ये बात समझने का है. Why the direction of light is changing? It depends upon the speed. Your question is based on speed changing. If any system where the speed changes, there will be some bending, and bending causes change of direction. Now come back to the point of second law of refraction of light, where the formula is given here. Sine of I to the sine of R is always equal to a constant called small n or mu, which is called refractive index. Two symbols are used nowadays. Mu is the oldest symbol decided for the refractive index. And nowadays, small n is also utilized to write as for refractive index of the medium. You can easily state these very laws by writing the language of the formulas. And this very formula is called Snell's law. Take care of. Statement must not be changed. Fundamental statements should not be changed. You should just state as it is given by the of ratio of angle, the ratio of sine of the angle, sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is equal to a constant called refractive index of the medium. गौर करना. This very law is called Snell's law. This law is called Snell's law. Okay. So for the refraction, we just have started how the ray of light is traveling for the two different medium. XY is the interface. XY का क्या नाम है? Interface. Denser medium is shown by dotted lines. थोड़ा dotted कर दो. Yes. So bending of light in the medium when it travels from one optical medium to another. This is the common meaning. You can explain the diagram. Normal, incident ray, refracted ray, angle I, angle of incidence, angle R, angle of refraction. These are some diagrammatical symbol. Causes of refraction is the change of speed of light. Change of speed of light is the main cause of refraction because direction of light changes due to the change in the speed of light. Now come to the next point. Why sign has been taken to decide the Snell's law? Here in the formula. You can directly write the topic titles of this formula, Snell's law. State Snell's law. Then write the formula, sin of I to the sin of R is equal to mu. And then state. Sin decide where is the light, at what angle the incident ray is, and at what distance the ray of light is incident on the interface. That is why sin factor is taken here by the Snell's law. So after knowing the laws of refraction, you come to the point of the term given in the Snell's law. Snell's law, where the new terms refractive index, you directly write small n or you write mu. What is the real meaning of the refractive index? How to decide? What does it mean? What does it mean? Refractive index is the bending ability of light. Very simple. Very simple answer for the term. What do you mean by refractive index? Bending ability. Bending ability of light of a medium. It's called refractive index. Bending ability of light in a particular medium is the refractive index of the medium.
सर समझ में नहीं आया सर, फिर से बता दिए ना।
कौन सा?
रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स बेंडिंग एबिलिटी मतलब कैसे मुड़ेगा सर?
हाँ, आप टॉर्च जला रहे हो, आप रूम में टॉर्च जलाओ, डार्क रूम में, ठीक, सीधा
हाँ
जाएगा,
सर।
सीधा जाएगा।
यस सर।
अगर रूम में एयर है तो सीधा जाएगा।
हाँ सर।
अब लाइट को बीकर में पानी भरने के बाद टॉर्च से लाइट को सेंड करो। ठीक।
थोड़ा तिरछा होता है सर।
हाँ, तो why the light bends? What is the main cause? Why the water just bends the light? When the light,
because water has optical density than air.
yes, it is the water medium which decides, which changes the speed of light to bend its, how much the bending ability of the medium is, of a particular medium, is known as refractive index. It is not necessary to have example of only water. You can send the light in the diamond. Bending is there. That is why diamonds just glitters more. When light enters, there is bending ability of the light.
सर लाइट मुड़ता क्यों है सर?
हाँ बोलो।
लाइट मुड़ता क्यों है सर? सीधा नहीं जा सकता डेंसर में भी?
हाँ, मैंने क्या बताया इस पढ़ाई के पहले, क्या मैंने बताया था? कॉजेज, कॉजेज बोला था। कॉजेज में क्या लिखा हुआ है? स्पीड ऑफ लाइट कितना है नेचर में?
3.8 किलोमीटर पर आवर।
3 × 10⁸ ठीक है।
किलोमीटर पर आवर।
हाँ, 3 × 10⁸ मीटर पर सेकेंड। आवर उबर नहीं बोलना है, तो सब ओल्ड फैशन का चीज को नहीं बोलना है। यू एवरीथिंग यू मस्ट लर्न इन एसआई यूनिट, कन्वर्ट इट। 3 × 10⁸ मीटर per second is the highest speed of the light. Whenever there is any change, if the value of this light changing in a particular medium, due to that change, the light will bend. If light is entering into water, the speed will decrease, so light will bend. When light will enter into any other medium, there will be also change of speed of light, and according to that, the light will bend. Now the terminology is here. What does the refractive index means? Refractive index stand for how much light is bending. बहुत ज्यादा मुड़ रहा है, बहुत कम मुड़ रहा है. How much ability of the medium? The ability of the medium where the light bends by certain angle is the refractive index. We call it as mu. उसको क्या बोला जाता है? Mu. ध्यान दोगे? स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन द वैक्यूम, ध्यान देना, नया टर्म बोल रहे हैं उसको। स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन द वैक्यूम टू द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन द मीडियम इज इक्वल टू म्यू। दिस इज कॉल्ड रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स। ध्यान देना, स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन द वैक्यूम टू द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन द मीडियम। हाँ, ये ध्यान, म्यू। Light is coming from vacuum, this is 1, and light is coming to the particular medium, this is 2. This is one of the formula of the refractive index. And by using Snell's law, you can also write sine of I to the sine of R is also mu. I is in the first medium, R is in the second medium. So you are writing mu of the two with respect to 1. देखो इसको कैसे पढ़ा जाता है? What is the meaning of the mu 1, 2? Refractive index of what? Which medium? Given medium. Refractive index of medium number 2, which is given. Refractive index of medium 2. with respect to medium 1. ध्यान देना, ये हुआ पढ़ने का तरीका. When you are writing mu12, you pronounce it refractive index of 2 with respect to 1. The speed of light in the vacuum to the speed of light in the given medium, the ratio is always constant, called refractive index. ये हो गया scientific formula of the refractive index. From Snell's law also we can decide sin of I to the sin of R equal to mu. Both having the same values, but different ways of deciding the refractive index. One with the help of the speed of light in the vacuum to the speed of light in the given medium. CM का मतलब क्या हुआ? Speed of light in the given medium. ये सारी बात को केयर करना पड़ता है. एक और तरीका है, ध्यान रखना, सब 10 क्लास में जानना है. रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स को इस फार्मूला से याद रखना, पहला वाला फंडामेंटल, और डायरेक्ट एग्जाम में भी लिख सकते हो. फार्मूला 1 इज द डिफाइनिंग फार्मूला फॉर रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स. ये साइंटिफिक फार्मूला है, but this value is also equal to sin of I to the sin of R. By Snell's law we can also write the value for the refractive index. In physical sense, fundamental meaning, refractive index stands for the bending ability of the medium. But scientifically, this ability is compared with how much the speed of light in the vacuum with respect to the vacuum and how much the speed of light in the particular medium. So these very two ratios also give the deciding factor of refractivity. ये बात का ध्यान रखना. तो रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स को अनदर वे में कैसे डिफाइन कर सकते हो? द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट in vacuum to the speed of light in the given medium. The speed of light in the vacuum to the speed of light in the medium. और V ratio होगा उसका, the ratio of these two speed is a constant. इसका लैंग्वेज में ये देना हो, constant, called refractive index. RI शॉर्ट में लिख दिए, RI stand for refractive index. ये सारे न्यू थिंग्स हैं 10 के बच्चों के लिए. लाइट का जो टर्मिनोलॉजी है इसमें इस सब चीज का ध्यान रखना होगा. रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स को आप, ये फंडामेंटल फार्मूला है, फार्मूला 1. आप चाहो तो कोई मान लो बच्चा है, मान लो ये सोचा सर मीडियम नंबर 1 से लाइट आ रहा है, वो लाइट सीधे नहीं जा रहा है, वो मुड़ के चला गया, तो आपको यहाँ पर ये डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा व्हाई देयर इज बेंडिंग, वेयर इज द आर, वेयर इज द आई, with what at what angle the ray of light is coming, and at what distance the source of light is sending the ray of light to the point of incidence, at what distance the refracted ray is going, at what angle the refracted ray is making with the same normal. तो इस तरह से ये बात जाता है यहाँ, ये origin होगी. Medium 1 angle I, medium 2 angle R, rarer medium, When light travels from rarer medium to denser medium, second medium is taken as denser. So which one is greater and which one is smaller? If you are saying I and you are saying R, if I is greater, how to decide in which direction the ray of light is going? इससे डिसाइड करना है. मान लो असर्शन रीजन में केस स्टडी में क्वेश्चन ऑब्जेक्टिव आ गया और उसमें दिया हुआ है इफ एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज ग्रेटर देन एंगल ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन, इन विच डायरेक्शन द रे ऑफ लाइट इज गोइंग. क्या बताएंगे आप?
डेंसर टू रेयर सर.
लाइट इज गोइंग फ्रॉम
डेंसर टू रेयर.
डेंसर टू रेयर है.
हाँ सर.
नहीं, यही रॉन्ग हो जाएगा, उल्टा हो जाएगा. आई इज द एंगल